Okay, so on the last video we had this fan break. So what I did, which is going to bite me in the ass, is I bought some of these spal, they're spal, I don't know how you pronounce it, fans, because I was pissed off on these. Well, what I should have did was got 1 inch smaller, because these are going to be a little bit bigger than these ones, so it's not going to be centered in there, but I'm going to see what I can do. So I bought 2 of these. So these were the ones that were on it originally. You see the motor is a lot bigger. And this was the Jegs ones. You can see the motor's way bigger. See how easy that turns? These turn tough, so you know they're going to be a lot bigger motor just from past experience. So we got to get these off. And then I bought a relay kit because these ones are going to be pulling like, I think it's 25 amps together on the new ones. And these ones I just ran a regular wire, and I think it's going to overamp. It's going to be pretty hot, so I made sure to buy a relay kit just so it takes the load off the switch. So let's get these unbolted and get the new ones on. Alright, so just to recap, these were the original ones I had on it. These are supposed to be the upgraded ones from Jegs. It broke right there. Just fan comparison size. And then here's the other fan comparison size. So just go ahead and try to get these mounted on here. It's going to be a pain, but so what I'm gonna have to do, I just wonder if the clips are the same. Yeah, clips are the same. Well, that shit. Ain't even done anything with it yet. It's fucking broke. That's cool. So, damn it. Maybe I can just take one of these off and switch it out if it's pretty similar. But I'm going to have to try to get these as close as I can get them. There's going to be some overhang now. I wish I would have paid more attention. Oh boy. Right here is what I was talking about, because now it's a little bit bigger. They don't sit perfectly centered because it's a little bit bigger than I thought, which I knew, but I didn't think about it when I bought these ones. So they stick out. So I'm gonna figure out something to put here, because you don't want to be pulling in air on the outside of the radiator. You want to pull it through the radiator down. So bear with me for a little bit while I Now all we gotta do is get the power hooked up here. Also, I decided not to put the pieces in here. I'm just gonna try it for right now, and then if it don't work, I'll have to fix it. But it's really close to this hose down here, so I'm hoping that doesn't cause a problem too, because everything I change on here just keeps being a problem. And then I'm gonna mount the automatic circuit breaker right here. So we got one side going to the fan, which is actually this one, and then this one we're going to put up here on the circuit breaker, and then cut this wire and then run our power over the distribution block over here. That way if the fans trip, this automatically, or if the fan's overamp, this automatically pull it out, and I won't have to worry about it pulling on the switch panel here. So here we go. And go ahead and get that connected. I'm gonna check these ones because I haven't checked them in a while. Then we can throw this thing back on there. Put a coil wire back on. And then this is our battery side. And I'll put the wire on there first. And this is going to be my relay side. Go ahead and use the right tool today instead of pliers. So what this will do is if this one gets too hot, it'll just trip out. It'll click in here, and once it cools down, it'll click back. Here you go. This is our relay. So you can see here, 87 and 30. It's 87. This is your 30. So these will be your two hot wires, and then 86 will be your positive for your switch. So when you put your switch, it'll connect in here, and then this will send your power out. And then 85 will be your ground. So I'm just going to go ahead and ground that right here. I'm going to make sure this fits there first. Looks like we're good. Because it's not going to affect the amperage. Okay, got that one. Okay. So we're good there, and then I'm just going to tuck some of this extra in here. Out of sight, out of mind. And then get some zip ties and alright, we got our shitty ass wiring done. Got everything buttoned up the best I could. It's not perfect, and it ain't pretty, but it works for me, so I'm not too worried about it. Can't test it today because it's pretty late out. I don't really want to piss the neighbors off right now. The other thing we got to do is turn it on, see if it works. So I'm hoping this works, but I guess we'll find out tomorrow. Like I said, it's pretty late, so I don't really want to mess with it too much tonight, but after work, I think we'll see if it works. So hopefully I catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.